Hello, thank you very much for watching this video, this tutorial. I have this furniture, quite unusual furniture, and I plan to use them as bedside tables in one of the rooms here at the B&B where I'm currently working. I go with Versailles as a base color, and later on I will play some other colors, but for the moment I go with one coat of Versailles over all surface. And while the paint is drying, I'm doing some molds because the furniture is quite, it really doesn't have any details, so I want to add some pretty details. And this new mold, which is part of the newest collection at Redesign with Prima, done together with Annie Sloan. Swedish Posse is the name of the collection, and so I chose these molds, and I really think they would look nice on the furniture. So let's see. What I'm doing here, I'm reheating the molds because after a couple of hours they get really hard, and when I'm gluing them it's better to have them flexible and bendable. This way I'm sure that the glue will do the job and the molds will be well placed, and they will really be durable. And so I reheat the surface. This way the glue gets a little bit harder and it starts to dry. And yeah, so this is the process, and I repeat it. I create a kind of design. You will see later on I'm also adding a long strip. I don't know how to say that, but you will see. It's really up to us how we use them and where we place them. I'm just creating a nice pattern with them. You see the same process. I push, clean the excess of the glue, come with the heat gun, warm the surface. I then press again, and that's all over the piece. And now it's time for the decoupage paper. It's this one is also called Swedish Posse. It's from the same collection, Annie Sloan and Redesign with Prima. And I cut the paper exactly the measurements I needed for inside these boxes, this furniture. Let's call them furniture. I don't know how to call them. And I place the paper on the dry surface, no glue underneath, and I made this decoupage gel a little bit runny, and I prefer to put it on top, and this way the fiber will absorb the glue, and I think I work a little bit less time and it's more efficient. I like doing the decoupage lately in this way. So dry surface, put the paper, and then over I add the decoupage gel. And here I'm coming with the second coat of paint. This is already the second day. And I come over the molds. I make sure that I cover actually all the surface. I come with the Versailles up to this level, a little bit below the mold. And then I'm coming with another color, Aubusson blue. All the colors are from Annie Sloan Romania. And I come with a little bit Aubusson blue, and I blend together with the Versailles, and I create a very soft blend. Then I go all over the legs, and that's pretty much it. It's a very easy way of blending on the horizontal or vertical. If you just do this with a clean brush after you put the colors together, it's more than enough. You will have a very beautiful soft blend and very easy to achieve. I like doing it in this way. And this is after a couple of hours. I decided I want them a little bit softer. I don't want that glue to be so strong, let's say, and I wanted it more powdered. So I'm coming again with Versailles over the blue, dry brushing. So I take a little bit of paint, I unload that paint on a small either paper, or you can unload as I do on a microfiber cloth, clean and dry. And then I come with the brush and I brush in some Versailles over the Aubusson. This way I get a very soft pale blue underneath the Versailles, which I really like it. I find it quite, I don't know, pretty, and I love it. I really love it, and I think it fits very well the paper and the molds. I hope you like it too. Let me know if you like what I'm doing. I would really love to get your comments and or other ideas. Let me know what you think. I love reading comments from you. And Luna, of course, nothing without Luna, okay? She's so cute. And here I'm dry brushing a little bit. I love dry brushing, it's so forgiving. And for inside, I wanted to make it a little bit more spectacular than it is with the paper, and I came with this stick and style stencil. I applied the glue for the gold leaf, and then I'm coming with the gold leaf, also from Redesign with Prima, collection from Kacha and Redesign with Prima. And it's a pretty easy job, really. You just take the gold leaf and place it over the dry glue. The glue, I usually let it dry at least maybe half an hour. I make sure that it's completely sticky and tacky. So, and then I come with a foil, I add, and then with a natural bristles brush, I come and I brush the excess of the gold leaf. And then I have this beautiful pattern, which is really nice, and I think it really looks okay on these bedside tables. Let's call them already bedside tables, because anyway I don't know how to call them. And then I go on all over the surface, and with all the little flakes that I have, I like to make this to push them against the corners, and this way I will have a beautiful golden line, and it really looks nice, and I don't waste the gold, so it's a win-win. And with a clean, wet microfiber cloth, I come and I remove a little bit of the Versailles, and I'm revealing the Aubusson underneath. And this way, I think it really looks vintagey and old, and Luna doesn't let me work. So this is a kind of, I remove the paint, literally, anywhere I want, because the paint is not sealed, so I can remove it easily with this kind of technique. It's really simple, and it really brings out the colors underneath, making it really look old and vintage and used, and as you can see. And after the paint is getting dry, I come with the clear wax, sorry. I'm coming with clear wax, and I seal the piece all over. And then with the brown wax, all from Annie Sloan Romania, I'm coming and I bring a little bit of shadows, and I create some shadows all over the molds, and I emphasize a little bit let's say the scratches that I've done to the piece, and I really want to make these bedside tables look old, like they've been painted 100 years old. So I'm trying to achieve this kind of old vintage look by doing this dry brush of clear wax and brown wax, dark wax, both from Annie Sloan. And then after I apply this dark wax, I come and I remove the excess, and as you can see, I already create shadows and depth to the piece. It looks old already. I really love vintaging the pieces with the brown wax. I think it's really getting a very authentic old look, in my view at least. This is the best way to vintage a piece. I love doing it. You can leave as much as you want, you can clean as much as you want, it's really up to your preferences. this is how much I wanted for this piece, and I always come and I add a little bit more, and I create some layers of dark wax, which helps to bring out this blendy image that I want, not image, blendy look, a blendy the look that I want for this piece. And then I come with this clean brush and I remove. If I have any excess of dark wax, I remove it. And I clean, so from time to time I'm cleaning this brush on the microfiber cloth that I have in my hands. And then I'm coming with the gold gilding wax, my favorite part, and I add it all over the molds and on the corners here and there, and I create a very soft, shimmery, shimmer, not shimmery, to the piece. And I use this brush. It's in the shape of a fan, and it really helps me to get into all the small crevices and details of the molds. It's a mix of using my finger, my finger and the brush. I love this part so much, and look how beautiful it really starts to look. I add with the finger, and then I discovered that I can spread it easier with the brush. It's all part of trying what's best for you. And then I take a little bit of the wax from the molds and I start to spread it first on the mold and then around the molds, creating an aura, like a halo of gold. I love to create these kind of halos of gold around the corners, on the legs, around the molds, like the sun hits the surface. Where the sun hits the surface, that's where I want to put gold. And with the same brush, the clean brush, I come and I distribute the gold gilding wax all over the surface, creating this shimmery look. As you can see from this angle, you can really see what I'm doing. I'm just spreading the gold and making it look very powdery, and yeah, I love it. I really like how they turned out. I think the molds are pretty fine for the pieces, and the paper inside and everything. So here they are. I hope you like them. If you like the video, if you like how they turned out, leave a comment. Subscribe if you haven't done it already, and thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Until next time, have beautiful days, sunny beautiful days. Thank you for watching. Bye.